Hi everyone, my name is Huey and welcome to another Alpha Impact Guide. For this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to subscribe to traders on our Alpha Impact app. So you can click the link above here to learn how to monetize your portfolio, but for this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to subscribe to other traders. So let's go! Okay, so now that we are on the Alpha Impact platform, do go to the Discover page as it is the easiest place where you can find traders that you can subscribe to. So you can see that there's a subscribe button here and then there's a subscribed. So these are people that I've already subscribed to. So all you have to do is simply just click subscribe and you can see that this is $9.99 a month. So just click subscribe, confirm, and you are successfully subscribed. So that's how easy it is to subscribe to a trader. So that's it, and you can always subscribe to other people. And to manage your subscriptions, you just need to go to the subscriptions tab right here, and you can see all your active and expiring subscriptions. So you can see that there's a lot of signals over here, so activity. So you can see that in the portfolios, after you have subscribed, you can access to all these signals, you can access to all this data and all these history trades and movements, which is not available to those who have not subscribed. So if you go into a portfolio that you have not subscribed to, you can see that the latest announcements are not available to you. And if you go into a portfolio, the signals are not available to you as well. The composition and the positions are all not available. And the data shown here is also delayed for 3 days. So this is the price that you're paying for these subscriptions, which is to access all this data here, which can allow you to make informed decisions on what to buy, what to sell, and stuff like that. So that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!